Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Amanda Wellborn, and today we'll be talking about the importance of proper nutrition in adolescence. So today's objectives will be students will learn what healthy eating is, students will look at some issues in adolescent nutrition, students will look into what adolescents should be eating daily, and students will see some ideas that we could use as teachers in the near future. So what is considered healthy eating? Healthy eating essentially means eating a variety of foods that give you the nutrients you need to maintain your health, feel good, and have energy to get through the day. The top 6 nutrients a human body needs are protein, carbohydrates, fat, water, vitamins, and minerals. Another thing we need to remind our students is that it's not a diet, it's called healthy eating. A lot of adolescents associate healthy eating with dieting, meaning you want to lose weight, but in reality, eating healthy is important for you, for your body to grow. So why do we need to focus on adolescent nutrition? This is often a huge overlooked subject. Adolescence is a time of increased nutritional requirements. Growth during adolescence is faster than any time in your life since you are a year old. Adolescence is a time during which poverty and inequality are passed to the next generation through poor nutrition and health. Some adolescent nutrition facts. Proper nutrition in adolescence is crucial for their body from the ages of 5 to 20 years old. Adolescents have the tendency to choose foods that are low in the top 6 nutrients. Poor nutrition can delay puberty. Those who have poor nutrition reduce the chance of attaining full growth potential. Students, especially older girls, have a tendency to skip meals, which will decrease their daily intake of important nutrients. Adolescents have a tendency to eat or consume beverages late at night, which can decrease their overall health. Here I've included a graph that shows the recommendation or above limits of important foods that are needed to be consumed each day. So vegetables are below 85%, fruit is below by 75%, grain is below by 45% and above 55%, dairy is below by 85%, protein above 55% and below 45%, sugars are above 70% the recommendation, fats are above 70% the recommendation, and sodium is above 85% of the recommendation. So problems in adolescent nutrition. The number one problem in adolescent nutrition is obesity. And here I've included a graph that shows how adolescents have increased in being overweight or obese from 1988 to 2012. And obviously you can see the drastic, significant jump from 1988 to 2012. Some other problems in adolescent nutrition are depression, low bone density, reduced concentration in studies, anemia, and the number one problem associated with anemia is iron deficiency, eating behavior problems, anorexia, bulimia, and so many more. The daily calorie intake for adolescents is as follows. For grade schoolers, which includes the ages of 4 to 8 years old, is 1,200 to 1,400 calories a day. For preteens, which include the ages of 9 to 13, for females it is 1,400 to 1,600 calories per day, and males is 1,600 to 2,000 calories per day. For teens, which includes the ages of 14 to 18, females should be consuming 18,000 calories per day, and males should be consuming 2,000 to 2,400 calories per day. So what should adolescents be eating? Adolescents should be eating 3 meals a day. A meal should be broken into 5 categories: grains, vegetables, fruit, dairy, and protein. And here I've associated with the My Plate plan. The My Plate plan consists of these 5 categories. And there's recommendations of how much you should be eating per day for these 5 categories. So for grains, you should be eating 6 ounces of grains per day, 2.5 cups of vegetables per day, 2 cups of fruits per day, 3 cups of dairy per day, and 5.5 ounces of protein per day. So what we should do as teachers. We should inform our students about nutrition. Have nutritional snacks for our students who may not have access to healthy food. Develop a garden to provide healthy snacks for students such as cucumbers, carrots, lettuce. We could even have fruit trees to where the students just pick it up right off the tree. Offer water to students. Teach our students the My Plate plan. Have motivational posters in our classrooms. We are role models to our students, so we have the opportunity to get students engaged in healthy eating. Here are my references that I've used to make this presentation. I really appreciate you taking your time to listen and hope you have a great day. Thank you.